Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm gonna show you how to start mining Bitcoin safe and easy. You don't need to have any knowledge about it. You don't need to have any experience about it, guys. So first of all, make sure to go to this website, which is freebtcminer.org, and also you can go ahead on logging. So this is where you're gonna enter your details in order to start mining. But if you don't have the crypto key, you can just go ahead and click on buy key, and this is all the different prices about crypto key. You can buy daily crypto key, weekly crypto key, and also monthly crypto key, guys. So it's up to you. It's very easy to buy, guys. All you have to do, you'll have more opportunities, and also you can earn more if you buy the monthly key or weekly key, right? Let's say we click on buy key, buy. All right, so place order. Alright guys, what you're gonna do right now, just enter your email address and also your Bitcoin address and save it. And next you can continue. This is just an example that I'm giving you guys. I'm just giving you guys an example if you want to buy the key, right? Okay, now everything you have to do, guys, just you're gonna send this amount of payment here, and once you're done, guys, once you're done, you just have to click on confirm transaction, and that's it. After a few minutes, you're gonna receive an email address. You're gonna receive an email address just like this, guys. And the email address you're gonna receive, you will see your access key here and where you can start mining Bitcoin, right? So right now I have already purchased my key, so I'm gonna use my key in order to start mining, and you can see every details by yourself, right? This is just an example that I'm giving you here. All right guys, let's go ahead and click on logging. Alright, now all you have to do, guys, just enter your email address and also enter your crypto key. I already have my crypto key login here. Alright, now just click on login. Alright, now what you're gonna do, guys, just enter your Bitcoin address here in order to start mining. Alright, this is my Bitcoin address. I'm gonna click here, copy my Bitcoin address, and I'm gonna pass it here, of course. Alright guys, now I can go ahead and click on start mining. And the mining process just start. It's loading right now, guys, but remember, guys, in order to make it quicker, the video, I'm gonna speed the video, right? I'm gonna speed the video now. Alright guys, congratulations, now you have a pending Bitcoin balance fund. Okay, click on OK. Alright guys, mining successfully completed, and this website has sent exactly 2 Bitcoins, 2 BTC in my wallet, guys. Now all you have to do, just go back to blockchain And what we're gonna do, guys, just refresh the page. It's a very big opportunity, guys, to invest in Bitcoin. The price is going up every single day. Let's go ahead and refresh again. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and refresh again a third time. Alright, fine. And I received the payment, guys. I received exactly 2 Bitcoins. So here's the payment, guys. Everything works perfectly, guys. So if you want to use the website, it's up to you. So guys, here is the total balance that I have right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day.